Tell us a little bit about yourself, Snigdha, and how you came to be Senior Vice President of Regulatory Science at Joule Labs.
I have been fascinated by science since I was in seventh grade when I aspired to be an astronaut. I participated in a competition where I presented a project on space, and that's when my love affair with science began. I navigated towards the biological sciences. I've spent time doing basic science research in academia, and then transitioned to industry where I've worked in both prescription and non prescription categories. Working in this sector is a unique opportunity and very different from my prior experience. What attracted me to Juul is the company's mission to convert adult smokers away from combustible cigarettes to lesser harm products while preventing unintended and underage use. Our work and our efforts are rooted in robust scientific evidence to not only advance harm reduction broadly, but to support both of our objectives as part of our mission.
What is the Regulatory Science Department and what do you do in it?
The Regulatory Science Department at Joule is a multidisciplinary department which includes chemistry, toxicology and product integrity, clinical research, behavioral affairs, as well as population sciences, which is a broad discipline including broad public health topics. My role as a leader is to orchestrate the generation of scientific evidence across all of these disciplines to support our overarching mission, but also specifically regulatory applications that are critical to advance our license to operate, but also support our product innovation efforts to bring new products to the market, quality and compliance, as well as external engagement. Our primary goal is to generate data and science about our products with an eye to collecting evidence responsive to regulatory requirements. Our main focus has been the US FDA and the PMTA process, but we also have scientific programs that are tailored to regulators across the globe based on their specific needs and requests for their local markets. We also evaluate population level effects of regulatory policies, including taxation, nicotine restrictions, flavors, and bans. We've been actively disseminating our research in both scientific and public health communities through peer reviewed publications, conference presentations, as well as the most recent behavioral monograph.
Where do you see the future of the category going?
I feel very optimistic about this category. I see an era where science finds a voice, that actual and factual data trumps misinformation, so we can all focus on the well being of adult smokers, an era where stakeholders and consumers alike are able to weigh the relative risk in an objective and data driven manner. More science based decision making to benefit our adult smokers around the globe. And of course, I do see an end to combustible cigarettes, especially with the new products that are coming into the market. I feel they're very promising, and I see a bright future